Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A55 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open a new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So it can be browser, it can be search area, whatever. You just have to have your keypad right in front of you. So now, once you want to change it, just enroll more options, mark settings, and click on languages. Here you can switch some languages if you don't want to have them, and then pick some particular language if you want to apply it. Let me choose, for example, this one if only it's okay, so it is available here. So now, once it is set, here you can see, just go back. Obviously you can pick one language only if you prefer, and just by tapping here for a bit longer, you can switch between languages. But basically, this is how you can switch keyboard language. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.